Every person dreams of success, but only a few are willing to walk through the fire to reach it. This is the story of a man who had nothing, yet built everything. A man who refused to give up, no matter how many times life knocked him down. His name was Arjun. Arjun was born in a small village where dreams were considered a luxury. His father was a farmer, his mother a homemaker. Every morning he'd walk 5 kilometers just to reach school. Sometimes hungry, sometimes tired, but always determined. When others laughed at his dreams of becoming an engineer, Arjun just smiled. He said, "Maybe I don't have much, but I have time and I'll use it well." He worked day and night, studying under candlelight, skipping meals, never giving up. But when exam results came, he failed. For the first time, Arjun felt broken. He cried alone, wondering if hard work even mattered. People said, "Maybe this is not for you." But deep inside, a voice whispered, "Try one more time." He didn't give up. Arjun started working at a tea stall in the mornings and studied at night. Every coin he earned went into his dream. Sometimes his hands would tremble from tiredness, but his eyes, they still burned with purpose. He believed, "If I can't change my situation now, I'll change myself." Another year passed, another failure, but this time something changed. Instead of crying, Arjun smiled. He said to himself, "I didn't fail, I just found another way that didn't work." He kept going, and one day a letter arrived. It said, "Congratulations, you have been selected for the engineering scholarship." For the first time, Arjun looked up and whispered, "I did it, not because I was smart, but because I never stopped." Years later, Arjun became one of the top engineers in his country. But he didn't stop there. He returned to his village and built a school where no child had to walk miles or study under a candle. He told the children, "If I can do it, you can too." Success doesn't come to the strongest or the smartest, and it comes to those who refuse to give up. So if you're watching this feeling lost, tired, or ready to quit, remember Arjun. Remember, every champion was once a beginner who refused to stop trying. You may fail once, you may fail 10 times, but the day you decide, "I'll try again," that's the day your destiny begins to change. Because in the end, it's not about how many times you fall. It's about how many times you rise. Don't give up. Your story isn't over yet.